Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video I will guide you practically what is L/4 in the construction of floor beam. So if you have any question related this short video, so you can comments, I will try to reply your answer. L/4. First of all, what is L in the construction of floor beam? Guys, you can see this is RCC column. So from this center line of the column to that column, that is other column, so the span between two column is L. So this is the distance between two column, which is L. Now what is L/4? L/4 means, so this is the spacing or the length between two column, which is about 19 feet and 9 inches. Okay, so L/4 means 19 feet and 9 inches should be divided by 4. Then you will get this length from this center of the column to this place. This is L/4. At this place we have negative bending moment. When the load comes or applied on the top of this floor beam, okay, so here we have positive bending moment at the mid is L/2. So total length divided by 2, so this is its mid. So here we have positive bending moment, which is maximum. So here at the distance of L/4 we have negative bending moment. Okay, I have already discussed its diagram. So this is L/4. So therefore, to resist negative bending moment, we are providing extra steel rods or bent up bar. But in this construction of floor beam, you can see they placed extra steel rods. How? As you can see, at this place, at this section, we have 2 steel rods in upper portion or in top portion of this floor beam. 2 steel rods we have. At the bottom we have 3 steel rods. Okay, so this is after L/4. You can see this is L/4 and this is after L/4. So I am talking about L/4. If you see here guys, at the top section we have 3 steel rods at this place. That's why, because we have extra 1 steel rod at the middle of this top section. So this is called extra steel rod, which is provided at the distance of L/4. If you see guys, here we have 2 sidebars. One is this one and that is the other one. So we have 2 sidebars. Here also we are providing these 2 sidebars to resist negative bending moment. If you come after L/4, so you can't see any sidebars and any other middle bar. So this is called L/4. Same construction you will see on this side. Guys, you can see here. So this is L/4. Now guys, if you see, let me guide you for its stirrups details at the distance of L/4, where we have negative bending moment. To resist negative bending moment, we are providing the stirrup spacing closely compared to its mid, because here we have positive bending moment, and at the end of the beam or at the end of the support we have negative bending moment. So here guys, you can see the spacing of stirrup is closely, which is about 5 inches. Guys, you can see clearly. So spacing is 5 inches. So after ending of L/4, you can see the spacing is 8 inches. Okay, so from 5 to 8 inches we have the spacing of stirrups. Now guys, the other question, as I told you in many videos, that the stirrups hooks should be provided alternately. They already did. Guys, you can see that is hook. So the other is opposite of this one. This is the opposite of each other. Okay, so if you see one thing more, that is the bent of hooks. So hooks are bent on 90 degree. It should be provided on 135 degree, as I told you in many videos, and I already show you in practical short videos. Okay, so therefore this is the details about stirrups of L/4. After ending of L/4, you can see the spacing is maximum compared to L/4. Same guys, you can see here. So this is the column center. Again you can see we have the beam, floor beam. So again you will see the extra steel rods, as you can see here. So again the extra steel rods construction is same, which already they did here. Okay, again if you see on this side, so you will see the extra steel rods. Okay, so here on this side also, horizontally and vertically, you will see the extra steel rods in the junction of beam and column are at the distance of L/4. Now guys, if you see, this is floor beam and it is ending by that point. So that is its last point. So if you see guys, so at the bottom we have 3 steel rods And top portion we have about 4 steel rods, because we have extras to 2 steel rods here at this place. But if you see, they didn't provide any development length. So what is development length? So the bottom steel rods hooks are going to the upward side, and the above steel rods hooks are going to the downward side, and it's make a good bond between steel and concrete. But unfortunately they didn't provide the development length, which is the important part of steel structure, if that is floor beam or plinth beam. Okay, so this is also very important to know about this. Next guys, you can see here the first stirrup is placed at the distance of minimum 2 inches. So this is the proper design, which you can see here. They used here 60 grade steel rods. Okay, so this is the some important informations related floor beam at the distance of L/4. So what is L/4? Okay, so if someone tell you what is L/3, so L/3 means total length divided by 3, where we have negative bending moment. But L/3 is not normally, but normally we have L/4. Okay, total length divided by 4. Next guys, you can see here this slab steel reinforcement. So I will guide you in next video for steel reinforcement in the construction of this floor. Okay, you can see, look here. So this is retaining wall, which thickness is 9 inches. You can see the spacing of steel reinforcement. We have not single mesh here, we have double mesh here. So the spacing is about 7 to 8 inches. Guys, you can see the dia is here. You can see the dia is 12 millimeter or 4 number of steel rod they used here in this retaining wall construction. And they used M20 grade concrete in the construction of this retaining wall. So for all this project guys, you can see for the covered area, the exterior walls of this site is retaining wall, especially at the basement. Okay, so this is the construction. So this is the construction of this is the floor, or this is the slab of the basement. Okay, so therefore this is the floor beam construction for basement. Okay guys, you can see. If you have any question related this video, so you can comments. I will try to reply your answer of each comment which you are asking about this video. Hope this video can help you if you are working on construction site. So these are some technical terms which I have discussed in front of you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.